Hello, let's make cute little puppies today. Take a 1 meter long coral bull stick. Leave 9 centimeters and wrap it around the index finger 3 times. The long stick and the short stick cross tightly. Pull the third ring bigger and the first ring tighter. The long stick goes through these 3 rings. To make its ears, leave 2 fingers wide. The long stick goes from the left side, or through these 3 rings. Keep the length consistent with the right side. The long stick goes from the back and presses the first ring. Press the first ring a little bit flatter through the second and third rings. Tighten. The long stick and the short stick cross tightly. Exchange the position of the second and third rings with the nostrils of the face. Adjust the part where the nose and mouth bulge with your hand to make a triangle. Next, we will make the 4 legs of the fado. First, we make the 4 legs. Leave 2 fingers wide. After the 4 legs are done, make a circle around the body. Then we make the hind legs. After the hind legs are done, we separate the knot of the tail and press it on the body. The rest of the sticks are all wrapped around the body. Today, we are making it with a broken tail. If you want to have a tail, you can make it a little bit shorter. Just make its tail. We twist the 4 legs in the opposite direction. Then put it down and lift the head up. We use a brush to brush the hair of the head, body, and limbs to make its body look fuller. Next is to trim the hair. First, we trim the position of its nose and mouth. Trim the outline of its nose bridge. Trim the outline of its ears. Trim the outline of its ears. Don't make it too sharp. Then trim the outline of the face. If you don't know how to trim it, you can save a picture and trim its outline in front of the picture. We trim the position of the forehead, which is the position of the forehead. Trim it a little bit. Trim the hair on the surface. We make the position of the dog's ears and earlobes a little bit thinner. It will be easier to paint later. Trim the back of the ears. Trim the hair on the nose. Trim it a little bit. Trim the position of the nose. We use scissors to trim the hair. Trim the nose. Leave a little bit of space under the nose. Trim a small triangle, which is the position of the mouth. We follow this small triangle and trim the curve of its upper mouth. Trim the position of the mouth a little bit thinner. Trim the chin. Trim the details of the face. Trim the messy hair on the back of the head. Next, we trim the 4 legs. When we trim the 4 legs, the big outline of the body remains unchanged. We just need to trim the messy hair on the surface. After trimming the hair, it is still a chubby one. Then we put the eyes on it. Next, we put the eyes on it. If you want to color it, you can use a picture. Then adjust it according to the color of the picture. After the coloring is done, we put on accessories for this little puppy. In this way, a cute little puppy is completed.